Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Katie if you're new here, and I have been requested to do this video on my Instagram just showing you how to apply washi tape to your Bible if the pages fall out. So as you can see here, what you need to do is washi tape on both sides of the page. You only need to do the page that has fallen out. Here's another example of where I have had to washi tape a page back into my Bible because it had fallen out. So I like to use just a variety of different kinds of washi tape just to give my Bible some character, but you can do whatever you prefer. So the first thing you need to do is line up your page perfectly with where it should be, and then you just need to pull out your washi tape and make sure that you apply it dead center and just go for it. Just whack it on down, and then as you can see, I pushed it down there with my fingernails in the center of the page. So I'll show you again on this page. You just want to spread your washi tape out so it's dead center, and then once it's in place and stuck down, you run your fingers right down the middle so that it binds into the book, just like that. And then just smooth out your pages and rip off the ends. That's the amazing thing about washi tape. You don't even need scissors, you can just do it with your hands. So I hope you found this video helpful. I know it's very short and sweet, but it's a very quick tutorial. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.